Welcome to the heart of American currency production, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing in Washington, D.C. Here, precision, security, and artistry converge to bring each US dollar bill to life. From the moment the first rays of sunlight spill over the city's skyline, the factory awakens, a vast complex humming with activity, alive with the rhythm of production. Outside, American flags ripple gently in the morning breeze, catching the light and casting shadows across the grand entrance. The doors open automatically for authorized personnel, their badges scanned with precision, granting access to a world few ever see. Each worker carries the weight of responsibility, knowing that every step taken inside these walls contributes to a process that touches millions of lives across the nation. The corridors echo with footsteps, a steady cadence that blends with the low hum of machinery and the faint scent of ink and paper. Posters lining the walls showcase the evolution of the US dollar, a visual history of design, innovation, and national pride. Here, tradition meets technology. Every surface, every tool, every motion has a purpose. This is more than a factory. It is a sanctuary of security and skill. From the meticulous inspection of raw materials to the intricate etching of metal plates, from the first pour of vibrant green and black inks to the final precise stacking of completed notes, every stage is a testament to human ingenuity and care. As the sun continues its ascent, casting golden light across the production floors, the day begins in earnest. Conveyor belts hum to life, presses prepare to imprint intricate designs, and machines calibrated to perfection stand ready. The process is seamless yet deliberate, a dance of technology and craftsmanship, choreographed to ensure that every dollar emerging from these walls is flawless, authentic, and secure. Inside, the lobby is more than just an entry point. It is a space where history and purpose converge. The walls are adorned with colorful posters, each one a visual chronicle of the dollar's evolution. From early designs etched in fine lines to the modern notes that incorporate advanced security features. These images tell a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and national identity, silently reminding every visitor and worker of the legacy they uphold. Footsteps resonate softly against polished floors, mingling with the faint hum of distant machinery. Workers move with quiet determination, scanning their badges at secure checkpoints, their access strictly controlled. Here, precision is not just a principle, it is a necessity. Every movement is deliberate, every step measured, as the flow of personnel is carefully orchestrated to maintain both security and efficiency. The corridors themselves seem to whisper the secrets of the production process. Fluorescent lights cast long, steady beams along the walls, illuminating the path deeper into the factory's inner sanctum. Here, the air carries the faint scent of paper and ink, and the gentle vibration of machines in the distance hints at the activity waiting just beyond each door. As one moves further inside, the space opens up to vast production zones. Conveyor belts stretch into the distance, and machines stand silently, poised to transform ordinary sheets of paper into something extraordinary, the most recognized currency in the world. It is a place where meticulous human skill meets precise engineering, where every sheet that enters begins a journey of transformation, imbued with both artistry and security. The factory is alive, yet disciplined, an orchestrated symphony of movement, sound, and purpose, ready to bring the American dollar to life. Before the first impression is ever made, the journey of a dollar begins with preparation. In the warehouse, towering rolls of high-quality cotton linen blend paper are stacked with precision, their fibers intertwined to create a durability that will withstand the rigors of circulation. Embedded within these sheets, delicate red and blue security threads glint subtly, hints of the intricate safeguards hidden in plain sight. Each thread is a testament to the blend of science and design that goes into every note. Forklifts glide across the polished floors, lifting massive rolls into place with careful coordination. Nearby, vats of ink, vibrant greens, deep blacks, and metallic hues stand like liquid paint on a grand palette, ready to flow into the presses that will bring each design to life. The air carries the faint, rich scent of ink and paper, a prelude to the artistry about to unfold. Workers move deliberately among the stacks, magnifying glasses in hand, inspecting each sheet with an almost surgical attention to detail. Every fiber, every thread, every embedded security element is examined for perfection. Even the smallest imperfection could compromise the integrity of the final note. It is a painstaking process, yet one executed with quiet efficiency and absolute dedication. This stage, though unseen by the public, is the foundation upon which the value and trust of the US dollar are built. Only after the paper is approved, its quality guaranteed, will it pass into the hands of the presses, ready to be transformed from raw material into a symbol recognized around the world. The artistry of the US dollar truly comes to life in the design department, where precision meets imagination. Here, engravers work with meticulous care, etching microscopic lines onto metal plates, lines so fine that each one reflects the steady hand and exacting skill of a master craftsman. Every border, every numeral, every historical figure is carved with unparalleled accuracy, ensuring that the final image is not only visually striking, but nearly impossible to replicate. Alongside traditional engraving, digital designers manipulate complex patterns and holographic elements, constantly innovating to stay ahead of counterfeiters. These holograms, color-shifting inks, and micro-patterns are more than decoration. They are sophisticated security features, seamlessly woven into the design to protect the integrity of the currency. Laser engraving machines hum quietly, creating microtext so small it is invisible to the naked eye, yet critical to authentication. Quality control specialists hover over each plate under intense magnifying lights, inspecting every line, every curve, and every detail. A single imperfection is unacceptable. Perfection is the standard. Once inspection is complete, the plates are polished to a flawless sheen and carefully aligned, each one labeled and organized by denomination. These plates, the very blueprint of the dollar, are now ready for the presses. A perfect marriage of artistry, science, and technology, poised to transform sheets of paper into legal tender, recognized around the world. In this room, every line etched, Every micro pattern applied is a testament to the dedication, skill, and precision that go into every single bill produced. It is a silent, exacting choreography of hands and machines, where human expertise meets technological innovation, and where the foundation of America's most trusted symbol begins to take shape. With the plates prepared and aligned, the heart of the factory comes alive. The massive printing presses roar to life, their motors vibrating with controlled power, and the rollers begin their relentless rhythm. Ink, vibrant, precise, and liquid like molten paint, flows seamlessly onto sheets of cotton linen paper, leaving behind the first impressions of what will become the iconic US dollar. As the sheets glide under the presses, precision registration marks ensure that every detail is perfectly aligned. Tiny holographic strips shimmer as they shift with the light, and raised tactile features emerge, designed not just for beauty, but for security. Each feature is layered with intention, a silent guardian against counterfeiting. Workers move among the presses with careful attentiveness, monitoring the flow of ink, adjusting pressure, and regulating speed. Even the slightest variation could compromise the integrity of a note, so every action is deliberate. The machinery and human oversight operate in perfect harmony, a choreography of engineering and skill. Sheets move methodically through drying units, where heat and air ensure the ink sets flawlessly. Some sheets pass through folding machines, while others continue to inspection stations, where trained eyes and advanced scanners verify each line, color, and texture. Every motion, every process is meticulously timed. From the first impression to the last, the journey of each sheet is a testament to precision, craftsmanship, and the pursuit of perfection. Security features are where science seamlessly intertwines with design, transforming each bill into a masterpiece of both artistry and protection. As sheets pass under specialized lights, watermarks come alive, glowing softly against the backdrop of the paper, revealing figures and symbols embedded with painstaking precision. Hidden fibers, invisible to the naked eye, are magnified under microscopes, displaying intricate patterns that are nearly impossible to replicate. Ultraviolet ink springs into view only under the exact wavelengths of light, unveiling images and markings that are as clever as they are vital. Operators move with quiet focus, scanning each sheet with tools and cameras designed to capture details beyond human perception. Microtext, tactile printing, color-shifting ribbons, and holographic elements are all meticulously examined, layer by layer. Each feature is not merely decorative, it is a carefully engineered defense against counterfeiting, a fusion of technology and design. Automated sorting machines hum alongside the human workforce, separating notes that meet exacting standards from those that require correction. Every sheet is accounted for, every imperfection is detected. Defective sheets are corrected, reprocessed, or removed entirely, ensuring that only flawless bills continue on their journey. In this stage, the factory becomes a temple of precision. Every inspection reflects a commitment not only to the integrity of the currency, but to the trust that millions of Americans place in every dollar. It is here, in the quiet intensity of scrutiny, that the invisible layers of security and expertise come together, transforming ordinary paper into a bill that carries both value and confidence across the nation and the world. Once the sheets pass inspection, they are carefully guided into the cutting room, where precision meets engineering. Massive blades descend with exacting accuracy, slicing through stacks of paper to create perfectly trimmed edges. The clean, sharp lines reveal the meticulous planning behind every sheet, ensuring that each note will fit seamlessly into circulation without flaw. Serial numbers are then engraved and printed with laser precision, each one unique, each one traceable. Metallic inks glint as treasury symbols are overprinted, adding layers of security that are as functional as they are visually striking. Every detail, from embossed textures to subtle patterns, is verified against design templates, ensuring that the tactile and visual elements are consistent across every bill. Workers move methodically through the room, inspecting alignment, touch, and print quality. The hum of machinery is punctuated by the soft rustle of paper as trays of finished notes are stacked, wrapped, and labeled. Each tray records the denomination, quantity, and unique identifiers, ready to move seamlessly into the final stages of production. This phase transforms carefully inspected sheets into tangible currency, combining human oversight with mechanical precision. Every slice, every imprint, every tray of notes reflects the culmination of artistry, technology, and security. A seamless process designed to maintain the integrity of the nation's currency from the factory floor to the hands of the public. Packaging is a process as deliberate and exacting as the printing itself. Sheets of freshly printed currency are carefully stacked into protective trays, each one handled with care to preserve its integrity. Tamper-evident tape seals every tray, while barcodes are scanned and logged, creating a digital record that ensures nothing is lost, misplaced, or miscounted. Automated sorting systems glide silently along conveyor paths, directing trays to their designated storage areas. Each section of the warehouse is meticulously organized by denomination, ensuring that every note can be located instantly. It is a space of order and efficiency, where even the smallest error is unacceptable. Security is omnipresent. Guards patrol the warehouse floors, eyes vigilant, monitoring every movement. Forklifts move steadily, transporting trays to controlled storage environments where temperature, humidity, and access are all carefully regulated. The hum of machines blends with the soft shuffle of paper and the mechanical precision of conveyors, creating a symphony of coordinated motion. Every tray, every sheet, every note is accounted for. In this controlled environment, the currency is shielded from error and tampering, prepared to embark on its journey into circulation. Here, the careful orchestration of human expertise, mechanical efficiency, and advanced security ensures that each dollar leaving the factory is exactly as intended, flawless, trustworthy, and ready to serve the nation. The story of the dollar is also a story of evolution, of design, security, and innovation. Historic printing plates and vintage notes on display offer a glimpse into the past, revealing how currency has transformed over centuries. From the delicate hand-engraved designs of early notes to today's modern masterpieces of anti-counterfeit technology, each iteration reflects the nation's growth, ingenuity, and attention to detail. Curators and designers examine these artifacts closely, studying the interplay of art and security. Every new bill honors tradition while embracing innovation, blending history with the latest technology to safeguard the public's trust. Each note is more than a medium of exchange. It is a canvas, a testament to the nation's values, creativity, and meticulous craftsmanship. As the sun sets over the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, the day's work comes to a quiet close. Conveyor belts slow to a halt, presses fall silent, and the factory floor bathes in the warm glow of late afternoon light. Time-lapse footage captures the rhythm of the day, from the first streaks of sunlight over the Capitol to the final stacking of trays in secure storage, revealing the scale, dedication, and care that ensure every dollar is produced with unwavering precision. Sheets that began as raw cotton linen paper have now completed their transformation, inspected, cut, numbered, and packaged. They are ready to begin their journey into the world, carrying with them the trust, history, and artistry of a nation. In this quiet reflection, the factory itself becomes a symbol, not only of production, but of the pride, precision, and perseverance behind the currency that drives the American economy. 2130 to 2200, closing cinematic shot. And finally, one note takes center stage. A single US dollar held up to the light, every line, thread, and security feature visible in perfect clarity. Behind it, the American flag fills the background, illuminated by dramatic lighting. This is more than a bill. It is a symbol of trust, integrity, and the nation itself. Every note tells a story of human skill, advanced technology, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. It is here, in this moment, that the journey of the dollar is complete. Yet its impact extends far beyond the walls of the factory, into the hands of millions who rely on it every day. Finally, one bill emerges in perfect focus. The quiet culmination of hours of meticulous craftsmanship, advanced technology, and unwavering attention to detail. Under the light, every fiber tells its own story. Every engraved line, every micro-etched pattern, every subtle shift in color reflects a process refined through generations. What began as raw paper has become something precise, purposeful, and enduring. As the background slowly dissolves into the American flag, the image transcends its physical form. This is no longer just a note, it is a symbol of trust, stability, and shared belief. In its design are echoes of history. In its security features, a promise of protection. And in its creation, the dedication of countless hands working in quiet precision. Each dollar carries more than monetary value. It carries the weight of responsibility, It moves through millions of lives every day, passed from hand to hand across cities, states, and borders. Yet behind its journey lies an unseen world of discipline and care. Ink meets metal, paper meets pressure, human judgment meets machine perfection, and at every step, accuracy is non-negotiable. From the first impression pressed into the paper to the final inspection under magnified light, every stage is a seamless choreography of skill and innovation. Engineers calibrate, inspectors verify, and machines operate with relentless consistency. Yet it is human vigilance that ensures perfection. This harmony between technology and craftsmanship is what gives the dollar its strength. Now, in this singular moment, the US dollar stands complete. Not merely as currency, but as a reflection of continuity and confidence. A promise that what it represents is secure, reliable, and worthy of trust. It is proof that precision matters, that integrity is built layer by layer, and that even the smallest details can carry immense meaning. Every note tells a story of ingenuity, security, and tireless effort. A story forged through discipline, innovation, and responsibility. And long after it leaves these walls, long after it enters circulation, that story continues, quietly supporting an economy, a nation, and the faith of people around the world.